Thinking of closing your Alibaba account? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you delete it directly from the app. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the homepage, tap My Alibaba at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the hexagon-shaped settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option, then tap on it. You'll now be taken to a page that explains what happens when you delete your account, like losing access to your order history or saved data. If you're sure you want to proceed, just tap the Delete Account button at the bottom of the page and follow the confirmation steps. Once completed, your Alibaba account will be permanently removed. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more app tutorials, and hit the bell to stay updated.